Hi, Mark. Today we're going to talk about something very important. Let me ask you a simple question. Do you like coffee?
Yeah.
That's it?
Yes. Yes.
And now what should I say?
I don't know.
Exactly. The conversation just stopped. This is what happens to many English learners. They answer correctly, but the conversation dies.
I didn't make a grammar mistake.
No, you didn't. But communication is not only about grammar. It's about keeping the conversation alive. When you say only yes or no, you give the other person nothing to continue with. Let's try another one. Do you work?
Yes.
Where?
At a company.
See? Now I have to ask all the questions. When you answer with one word, the other person must do all the work. Good conversations are shared effort.
So I need to give more information?
Exactly. Just a little more. Let's try again. Do you work?
Yes. I work at a small company.
Better. Now I can respond naturally. What kind of company? See? Now the conversation flows. Here is your new rule. Never answer with only one word.
That sounds difficult.
No, it's simple. Use this formula. Answer plus one small detail. Let's practice. Do you like music?
Yes, I like music. I listen to it every day.
Perfect. That's already much better. Do you exercise?
No, I don't exercise often. I'm usually too busy.
Excellent. You didn't use difficult vocabulary. You just added one more sentence. That's the secret. Mark, I'm going to show you one powerful word.
Only one word?
Yes, that word is because. When you say because, your brain cannot stop. Let's try. Do you like English?
Yes.
Too short. Try again. Use because.
Yes, because I want to speak fluently.
Much better. Now your answer feels complete. Let's try another one. Are you tired?
Yes, because I didn't sleep well last night.
Excellent. That sounds natural. Now try a no. Do you like spicy food?
No, because I can't eat very spicy food.
Perfect. Do you see what happened?
Yes, because forces me to explain.
Exactly. It pushes your sentence forward. Now let's level up. After yes or no, you can add when, where, how often. Let's practice. Do you go to the gym?
Yes, I go 3 times a week.
Good. That's frequency. Do you cook?
Yes, I usually cook at home on weekends.
Very natural. Do you study English every day?
Yes, I study at night after work.
Perfect. Now try a no. Do you watch TV?
No, I don't watch TV much. I prefer YouTube.
Excellent. You didn't stop at no. You explained your habit. This makes you sound real. Now let's transform weak answers into strong ones. I will say a weak answer. You make it stronger. Ready? Do you like movies? Weak answer. Yes.
Yes, I like movies. I usually watch them on weekends.
Very good. Are you busy today? Weak answer. No.
No, I'm not very busy today. I finished my work early.
Excellent. Do you enjoy your job? Weak answer. Yes.
Yes, I enjoy my job because I work with friendly people.
Perfect. Notice something important. You didn't use difficult grammar. You just added small details.
It feels easier than I thought.
Because you're not trying to sound advanced. You're trying to continue the conversation. That's the goal. Mark, many learners are afraid to speak longer because they think too much.
Yes, I'm afraid I'll make mistakes.
That's normal. But you don't need perfect sentences. You need a simple structure. Try this pattern. Yes, I, plus verb, plus detail. No, I don't, plus verb, plus reason. Let's practice. Do you drink coffee?
Yes, I drink coffee every morning.
Good. Simple and clear. Do you drive?
No, I don't drive because I prefer public transportation.
Excellent. See? You didn't stop to think about complex grammar. You used a pattern.
It feels automatic.
That's the goal. Fluency comes from patterns, not creativity. Now, let's talk about sounding natural. Sometimes learners expand, but sound like a textbook. For example, yes, indeed, I am quite fond of cinema.
That sounds strange.
Exactly. It sounds unnatural. Let's make it simple. Do you like movies?
Yes, I like movies. I usually watch them with my friends.
Perfect. That sounds real. Do you enjoy traveling?
Yes, I love traveling. I like visiting new cities and trying local food.
Very natural. The key is use simple words. Speak like you talk in real life. Don't try to sound advanced. Natural is better than complicated. Let's try a short, real conversation. I'll ask you questions. Answer naturally with more than one sentence. Ready? Do you like your job?
Yes, I like my job because it's interesting. I learn something new every day.
Good. Now I can respond. That's great. What do you like most about it? See how it continues? Now another one. Are you tired today?
Yes, I'm a little tired because I stayed up late last night.
Very good. Now I can say, oh, really? What were you doing? The conversation keeps moving.
I see the difference now.
Yes, you are not just answering. You are creating space for conversation. That's communication. Mark, now you can give longer answers. Let's level up again. Instead of just one extra sentence, let's try a small story. 2 or 3 short sentences.
A story? That sounds difficult.
Not a big story, just a small one. I'll ask you something. Do you like traveling?
Yes, I like traveling. I usually travel once a year with my family. We like visiting the beach.
Perfect. That's already a mini story. You answered. You added frequency. You added detail. Now try another one. Do you enjoy learning English?
Yes, I enjoy learning English because I want to speak confidently. I practice every night after work.
Excellent. Do you see how natural that sounds?
Yes, it feels more like real conversation.
Exactly. Real conversation has small stories, not one-word answers. Now I'll teach you something very powerful. After you answer and add detail, ask a question back.
So I don't just answer, I continue?
Exactly. Let's try. Do you like music?
Yes, I love music. I listen to it every day while working. What kind of music do you like?
Perfect. Now the conversation continues automatically. Another one. Are you busy today?
Yes, I'm a bit busy because I have 2 meetings. How about you?
Very good. When you ask back, you share the conversation. It becomes balanced
It feels less stressful.
because you're not carrying the whole conversation alone. Now let's talk about something real. Sometimes someone asks you a question and your brain freezes.
Yes, that happens to me a lot.
Instead of saying only yes or no, use these soft starters. That's a good question. Let me think. I'm not sure, but I've never thought about that. Let's practice. Why did you choose your job?
That's a good question. I chose it because I enjoy working with people.
Excellent. You bought time and gave a real answer. Another one. What's your biggest goal?
I'm not sure yet, but I want to improve myself and learn new skills.
Perfect. You didn't freeze. You kept moving.
I think I understand now.
Good communication is not about perfect answers. It's about staying engaged. Mark, let's compare two conversations. First version, the old you. Ready? Do you like your job?
Yes.
Are you busy today?
No.
Do you like coffee?
Yes.
How does that conversation feel?
Very short and awkward.
Exactly. Now, let's try the new version. Do you like your job?
Yes, I like my job because it's interesting. I work with friendly people. What about you?
Much better. Are you busy today?
Yes, I'm a bit busy because I have 2 meetings this afternoon. How about you?
Perfect. Do you like coffee?
Yes, I drink coffee every morning before work. It helps me focus. Do you prefer coffee or tea?
That feels like real conversation.
Yes, it flows naturally now.
Exactly. You didn't change your vocabulary. You changed your structure. Now, let's train speed. I'll ask questions quickly. Answer naturally with more than one sentence. Ready? Do you like movies?
Yes, I like movies. I usually watch them on weekends with my friends.
Good. Are you tired today?
Yes, I'm a little tired because I slept late last night.
Excellent. Do you cook?
No, I don't cook often. I usually order food after work.
Very natural. Do you enjoy studying English?
Yes, I enjoy studying English because I want to speak more confidently. I practice every day.
See how smooth that sounds?
Yes, I don't feel stuck anymore.
Because now you always add one more sentence. Mark, tell me the master rule.
Never answer with only one word.
Good. And what do you add?
One small detail.
And what else can you use?
Because.
Excellent. And what makes the conversation continue?
Ask a question back.
Perfect. So remember, answer detail, because, if possible, question back. That's it. You don't need advanced grammar. You don't need perfect pronunciation. You need structure and confidence.
I feel more confident already.
Good. And next time someone asks you, "Do you like English?" you won't say,
Yes.
"What will you say?"
Yes, I like English because it helps me communicate. I practice every day. How about you?
Perfect. That's real conversation. Thank you for practicing with us today. Keep adding one more sentence and never stop the conversation with only yes or no again. See you in the next lesson.